I just caught the biggest fish in my life.
Pow, 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 pow. Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Chronicles. Pow, pow,
Keep them
pow,
coming.
pow, pow, pow. Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow.
Look at that! Oh my God!
Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow. Chronicles. Pow, 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 pow.
Corn Chronicles. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corn back with another episode of Corn Chronicles. I can't do it with the point. I got stuff in my hand right now. But we're back in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Hold on, let me make sure I lock my car. Definitely can't have that, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that's locked. Okay. But yeah, we're in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. I was at this spot like a couple weeks ago and I didn't catch anything. Nothing at all. So I'm back for revenge. I'm here. It's kind of cold out right now. I think it's like 49 degrees. Like, it's pretty chilly. And the tide is super low right now. Damn. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna see what we can do. Here, I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. Yeah, the tide is super, super low. Damn. Well, we gonna figure it out, make it work. Also, shout out to StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, I'm excited, so let's get it. StenCy KEY derives from the phrase consistency is key. A brand for content creators, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, gym rats. A brand to remind you that consistency is key in order to succeed. StenCyKey.com. At StenCy KEY on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. At StenCy KEY. And remember, consistency is key. I didn't even open this shit. Chill out, bro, until you get past layup in.
We're getting.
You're waking.
Look at that wave.
Look at that wave.
Literally.
That's why you can surf off that boat.
It's pink.
It looks white to me. Pink flamingo. Where I lived in
God, I'm pissed they wouldn't let us buy alcohol, dude.
I got something messing with me back here. It might be small though.
Got something?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, you do. Oh, flounder, dude.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That might be
It might be too small, yeah.
That's a flat dog. I told you catch something every time. Fucking Oh, it's gotta be what's that? Here, you know, it's like,
Wait,
you gotta hold it.
yeah, I gotta.
So it's way bigger, dude.
I'm just holding like this though.
That's it, dude. I ain't keeper now.
Yeah, that's it.
This one away.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it.